A star is born, Concorde's rise to fame. The Concorde. Just the name conjures up images of luxury and speed. A sleek, pointed dart of a plane, it soared across the skies at twice the speed of sound. This was no ordinary aircraft, it was a symbol of human ingenuity, a testament to our ambition to conquer the very limits of travel. For those fortunate enough to experience its unique charm, a journey on Concorde wasn't just a flight, it was an event, a privilege. The Concorde project was born in the optimistic glow of the jet age, a time when technological progress seemed limitless. A joint venture between Britain and France, the Concorde was a daring leap into the unknown. Supersonic dreams, engineering a marvel. The Concorde was a marvel of engineering, a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the engineers who designed and built it. Its sleek, aerodynamic design, with its distinctive delta wings and droop nose, was not just for show. It was crucial for achieving supersonic flight. Every curve, every rivet was meticulously crafted to ensure optimal performance at speeds exceeding Mach 2, twice the speed of sound. One of Concorde's most groundbreaking features was its powerful Olympus engines, specially designed to withstand the extreme conditions of supersonic flight. These engines, a marvel of engineering in their own right, generated immense thrust, allowing the Concorde to reach its cruising altitude of 60,000 feet. At this height, passengers were treated to breathtaking views of the Earth's curvature and the darkness of space. Adding to its uniqueness was the use of a fly-by-wire system, a groundbreaking technology at the time. This system replaced traditional mechanical controls with electronic ones, making the aircraft more responsive and efficient at supersonic speeds. Reaching for the skies, Concorde's operational history. British Airways and Air France were the only airlines to operate Concorde commercially. The primary routes were between London Heathrow and Paris Orly, to New York's JFK and Washington Dulles. These transatlantic flights quickly became the epitome of luxury travel, attracting celebrities, dignitaries, and anyone who could afford the hefty price tag. The allure of crossing the Atlantic in a matter of hours held a powerful appeal. The Concorde experience was unlike any other. Passengers were treated to unparalleled levels of comfort and service. From the moment they stepped on board, they were pampered with gourmet meals, fine wines, and personalized attention from the cabin crew. The exclusivity and luxury of flying Concorde only added to its mystique, making it the ultimate status symbol for the discerning traveler. Despite its technological triumphs and symbolic significance, the Concorde faced a number of challenges during its operational life. The most significant of these were economic. The cost of operating the Concorde, with its fuel-thirsty engines and specialized maintenance requirements, was astronomical. This meant that ticket prices remained prohibitively high for most travelers, making Concorde a luxury only a select few could afford. The global economic downturn of the early 2000s further exacerbated Concorde's financial woes. The tragic events of September 11, 2001, and the subsequent decline in air travel dealt another blow to the already struggling supersonic jet. Airlines were forced to tighten their belts, and Concorde, with its high operating costs and limited passenger capacity, became increasingly difficult to justify. As the sun set on the era of supersonic passenger travel, the Concorde made its final flight in October 2003. This marked the end of an ambitious chapter in aviation history. The decision to retire the Concorde was not just the closure of a service, but the end of a dream that had captivated the imagination of millions around the globe. The sleek, delta-winged jet had become a symbol of technological prowess and luxury travel, but economic realities and changing societal values called for a new direction in the aviation industry. The story of the Concorde is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of progress. From its inception, the Concorde was more than just an aircraft, it was a bold statement about the future of travel, pushing the boundaries of what was technically possible The Concorde flew faster than the speed of sound, shrinking the world in ways previously unimaginable. Its legacy is not defined by its challenges or its eventual retirement, but by its contribution to aviation and its role in stretching the horizons of what we believe is achievable.